Activity number 3. How might players adjust their game plan to counter a weakness in their backhand or forehand play? If a player is losing with a particular game plan, it may be playing into the opponent's strengths. For example, if a player is playing aggressively but the opponents like that shot space, the players can try hit the ball harder to apply pressure. What adjustment might a player make to their stance or grip when playing against an opponent with a significantly different playing style or skill level? For example, if your opponent has a strong backhand, you can switch your stance and grip to hit the backhand down the line. How can players use footwork and positioning to improve the reaction time and maintain control in high-speed rallies? So, be improving footwork, being light and nimble on your feet can help you respond faster. You can add bounce to your footwork to respond faster to high shots.